Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to draw a Gandhiji, a father of our nation, with the help of lines and shapes. Now we are going to start. We are going to start from the center. This is our center part. One dot, one more dot. Both should be in a same level. One curve, one more curve, make it one dot downside, make it dot one more downside, make it one curve, make it one more curve, make it one circle, make it one slipping line, make it one more circle, one slanting line towards the ear portion, one slanting line towards the ear portion, one curve line in the circle, one curve line in the circle, one small dark circle as a lens of the eyes, one curve, one more curve and black dark lens. This is the eyes. One curve as a nose, one slanting line, one more slanting line going towards outside, one zigzag line, small zigzag line, do not make it big one, that is a mustache, fill it inside dark, our mustache is ready. One curve, one more curve, this is a mouth and outer level, that is a lips. One more curve towards downside, one more curve towards downside, one curve as a chin, face is ready. This is ears, this is a forehead, this is a spectacles, this is a eyes, this is a nose, this is a mustache, this is a mouth, this is a lips and this is a chin. If you want to make a lines on a forehead, you can make it in a wave mode. Make it straight line as a neck, make it straight line as a neck. It should be at a same point. One slanting line going towards downside, one slanting line going towards downside, one curve line, one more curve line, one more curve line, one more curve line at the opposite side, one more and one more. Three curve lines at both the side. This what I am showing a shawl that Gandhiji is going to wear. He believes in pure cotton. He is wearing a pure cotton sole on his body. One slanting line, one slanting line, one slanting line. This is the crest of the sole. One more slanting line, one more slanting line, one more slanting line. This is a shoulder, and on a shoulder you can found out a sole which he is wearing. Now one slanting line from the first corner of the page going towards upside, one more slanting curve which is going towards upside, little bit downside too. I want to make it backdrop as tricolors of our flag. So kids, please take it a color. So first we will take it orange color. I will be putting a border first, so color cannot get into another strip. I am filling inside in a slanting mode. Cover it little portion so color cannot get outside. Cover it. Cover the white dots too. My one portion of our flag is finished. Now I am going towards green color, towards downside. Do the border of the outer level of Gandhiji. So a green color cannot merge to the Gandhiji's portrait. My green color border is covered. Now I am going to fill inside green color. I am going to left that green color up to this limit. I am going to make it a poster by having a Gandhiji's portrait. Here our green color is been finished. Now I am going to write here with a calligraphy style, Father of the Nation. Again kids, this is called as a calligraphy. A good designing letter is called as a calligraphy. Father of the Nation. This drawing you can use it in poster drawing, even also you can use it in your projects, even also you can use in social studies.